Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, students of grade 10. This is your lecture of mathematics. We were doing in class exercise 18.4 in which we were learning theorems on proportions. So, number one theorem is theorem of invertendo. I will repeat it, I will revise it, this theorem which we have done in class. So the number one theorem is if A is to B is equals to C is to D, then B is to A is equals to D is to C. So by the name of this theorem you can understand invertendo. So we can take inverse of these ratios like A is to B when we have, so we can take it B is to A. So if A is to B is equals to C is to D, then we can say it can be proved that B is to A will be equals to D is to C. The second theorem is theorem of alternando. So we are taking alternate numbers here from the proportion. So when two ratios are equal, like A is to B is equals to C is to D, then A is to C will be equals to B is to D. So we can prove it by taking four numbers. So they are saying with the name of this theorem, we can understand it easily. A is to B is equals to C is to D if it is given. So it can be proved that A is to C, which is alternate. A is to C will be equals to B is to D. Okay, you can learn it. This theorem also, and it will be easy for you. And then third theorem is theorem of componendo, which is if A is to B is equals to C is to D, then according to the theorem of componendo, two properties are there. For this theorem, we have two properties. Number one, A plus B is to B will be equals to C plus D is to D. And the second property is A is to A plus B is equals to C is to C plus D. So we have proved it by taking four numbers, and these theorems you can understand easily if you are taking four numbers, and you can understand their values are equal in this way also. Number four theorem is saying theorem of dividendo. Theorem of dividendo is saying if A is to B is equals to C is to D, then two properties are there. A minus B is to B is equals to C minus D is to D. A is to A minus B is equals to C is to C minus D. The last theorem is very important, which is saying theorem of componendo and dividendo. Two properties, two properties of these theorems are combined here. So if they are saying if A is to B is equals to C is to D, so the property is that there are two possibilities, right? Number one is A plus B is to A minus B will be equals to C plus D is to C minus D. And the second possibility will be A minus B is to A plus B will be equals to C minus D is to C plus D. So we can prove some questions which are given in exercise 18.4 by using these theorems. I hope you have understood all these theorems.